Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a super simple way to fix any photo using AI. Whether the picture has a watermark, a cut off head, a missing hand, or maybe the quality is just low. We'll be using two powerful AI tools for this video, so stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, so first and first we need to get the image we want to fix, like the watermarked image or the cutout head image. Right, so for this video I'm just going to search for a random stock photo that I'll be using as example. So I'm going to search for a watermark, and then I'll pick just one and use this for this video. So I'm going to download this guy. Then I'll search for cutout. You can actually get photos from anywhere, not just Google. It can be Pinterest, stock websites, or even your old blood photos. So I'm just going to search for cutout images. Photo cropped head. Yeah, exactly, this is what I'm looking for. So you can see over here, this one, the head is cut out and this as well. All right, let's go with this, because the AI is going to help us complete this picture. No, not this one. Let's go with this one. Maybe you have a photo that is like this that you want to use to complete your design sent by your client, because I've experienced this too. That's why I'm making this tutorial. Client needed a picture completed, and instead of you manipulating it using Photoshop, you can easily do this with an AI, and it's very accurate, well detailed, and fast. So I'm just going to save this. Alright guys, we've downloaded the watermarked image and the cutout head. Alright, so firstly we're going to go over to ChatGPT, and then we try to erase the watermarked area, and then we'll upscale the image. So over to ChatGPT, upload your image. So now you're going to upload the image and describe exactly what you want to fix. So you click and upload the image. Now you click here again and then click on create image. So basically the AI doesn't guess, it follows exactly the instructions you give it. So the more clear you explain, the better the final result. So you're going to ask the AI to scale this image to 4K, keep it sharp, clean, and natural. Remember, whenever you add remove watermark, because the AI will find it as, you know, as against the rules, those kind of things. So just tell it to upscale this image to 4K, keep it sharp, clean, and natural. And then the output is going to remove every watermark and other things. You know, if you use watermark direct, it will feel like it's a copyright-ish problem. So I'm just gonna click on send, and let's watch the AI do the merge. Alright guys, the magic has been done. So let's see the outputs. So this is the output, and this is the inputs. Let's compare. As you can see exactly how this is it, how the original file is, right? Now let's check the outputs. Let's see. So this is the output. As you can see, they are the same. The details are correct. Now the next thing is completing the cutoff head or hand, but we're making use of head for this video. So this is part people think is complicated, but AI makes this very easy. You just need to upload the pictures and use a simple prompt, and then voila, everything is done, right? So we're just going to go over to Gemini for this, right? So Gemini is actually very good. Gemini Nano Banana is very good for this one. Alright, so I'm just going to try to log into my account on Gemini. This I'll be using the cutoff head, and then I'll write my detailed prompt, and Nano Banana will do the rest from here. Alright, so I'll just quickly upload my photo. Alright, so I've uploaded the picture, and I'm just going to go with this very nice prompt. And this is it. Fix this image, complete the missing head naturally, and improve the overall quality. Make the face look realistic and keep the original style, and then I'll go with send. So remember, I'm making use of Nano Banana, and then I'll send. And let's wait while it does the magic. So what this Nano Banana does to this picture is that it will analyze the image, fill in the missing parts, just like the missing head, and give you a clean version. If you want a variation or addition, you can also do that. So our image is done, and voila, look how perfect it is. Okay, let's view the before and after. So check this out. Look how this is. You can see the shape, the beard, and everything's cut out. Then let's check the result. Now this is exactly the same, no difference. Look, the eyes, the hair, bears completed. And then for the watermark, you can remove that using Photoshop or any other design tool you use. So that's that on how you can manipulate your images and upscale your images using AI. This is not limited to just cutting out head nor removing watermark. You can do a lot of things using these steps. So with just few detailed simple prompts, you can completely transform any image, fix cutoff parts, remove watermarks, and upscale it to HD 4K. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Let me know in the comments what AI tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.